Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean window shutters fast and easy. This will be a full tutorial for cleaning them, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have these window shutters, and they're really easy to operate. They come in a variety of different forms and factors, but basically they're all very similar, okay? You have a rod that opens them and closes them, and usually you can open or close them from the actual shutter themselves like this, the entire thing, okay? So, with that being said, here's how to clean them, okay? You want to get a bucket of warm water, and you want to put your favorite cleaning solution in there that is appropriate for the material that you're cleaning. In my case, I just use some simple white vinegar. I just put just a little bit, just a couple drops of white vinegar in just a little bit of water. You don't need a ton, okay? Now what you want to do is get a cleaning cloth as well and drain it out with that water so that it's just barely damp. You don't want to soak these things or you're going to get water spots on them. And also, depending on the material that they're made of, it's probably not good to get a lot of water on them. So you want to really just make your cloth barely damp. Now here's what I like to do. I like to start off by cleaning the outside perimeter, just like this, of all of the shutters. So right now I'm just cleaning the faces of the shutters, okay? Just like that, very simple. Then I like to go and I like to clean the rods. So each of the rods like that, we're going to clean. Just wipe it down. We're just wiping it down. Now here's where it gets a bit tricky, okay? You need to clean both of the sides of the shutters. So if I open this one up right here, as you can see, okay? I just see someone walking out there. I thought I knew that person, but I don't. Anyways, if you want to clean both of the sides, you can open them like this, make them sort of parallel with the ground. Then you take your cloth and you want to almost do like this, like a finger puppet, like, hello, how are you today? Something like that. And you want to, use your pretend mouth with your hand to clamp on the shutter. So right now, I'm clamping the shutter, swipe one way and then the other way. Just like that, okay? Then what you can do is you can go in the corner right here because you probably couldn't get it right where the rod is. Same thing, one way, other way. One way, other way. One way, other way, just like that. Now keep in mind, unless you have some sizable hands, my hands are not enough to reach all the way to the other side. So right now I got 80% of it, but there's just the slightest line on that side, the outside of the shutter. So now what I do is I go like this, I open it up, keep this close to not overexpose the camera. Now what I do when it's open is I do this little part that I couldn't get to. Put my hand in a mouth format like this, and one side, other side, just like that. Literally just like that, okay? And if you do it right, and if you do it rather frequently, you won't have to wipe off that much dirt. If you're doing this once every 5 years, you're gonna have to do multiple passes, sometimes 2, 3, 4 passes on them before they're clean, because you're just moving the dirt around essentially until you really get it clean, decently clean. But if you're doing this every, few months, then you probably will be good like this. And then if you want, there's a little spot where the rod is that I couldn't get with my hand, so I just kind of just wipe that like that, okay? Just like that. And then I do this with all of the shutters. I'm not gonna make you watch me do all of them, but I do it with all of the shutters, okay? Then I wipe the inside of the frame. That's all that's left. Just like that. Wipe the inside of the frame, and you're good. And if you want, there's one last little thing. So there's sometimes just a little lip. So right here you can see there's a little lip. I just get the cloth and I run it along the lip right there. Same thing on the other lips, okay? Sometimes it's just a little indent or sometimes a little crevice. You can just run the cloth along there as well. But that is going to be different for all of the different types of shutters that you're working with, right? Even here, if you look, there's a little lip right over there. So what I do is take this cloth, just run it across one time on the lip, just like that. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.